Stick around, because at number 3 you can earn 4% cash back on groceries and more, and at number 1 you'll want it just for flexible simplicity. Hello, savvy savers. I am Elyze. You want to know? Which 7 cashback credit cards can earn you serious money in 2025 without paying a single cent in annual fees? From everyday groceries to gas and dining out, I've got you covered. Stick around, because at number 3 you can earn 4% cash back on groceries and more, and at number 1 you'll want it just for flexible simplicity. Why cashback cards matter. Cashback cards are the easiest way to earn money from everyday spending, without hassle. No travel partners, no confusing point conversions, just cold, hard cash. But here's the magic. No annual fee cards, sheer pure gain. You spend anyway. Why not get back up to 5%? The rules of the game. Before diving in, these are your golden rules. Always pay your balance in full. Carry a balance, and that 20% plus interest will eat your rewards. Stay organized. Due dates matter. Use tools like Mint or your card apps to track your spending and rewards. Card breakdowns. 7 to number 3. Number 7. Chase Freedom Unlimited. 1.5% unlimited cashback on all purchases, 3% on dining and drugstore, 0% intro APR for 15 months. Best for simple everyday earn, plus flexible rewards. Pro tip, pair with Chase Sapphire. Preferred to turbocharge travel redemptions. Number 6. Citi Double Cash. 2% cash back on everything. 1% when you buy plus 1% when you pay. Best for no categories, no fuss. Straightforward reward strategy. Number 5. Amex Blue Cash. Every day, 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets and gas stations. 3% at U.S. online retail purchases. Great starter Amex card with exclusive merchant deals. Number 4. 4% on dining and entertainment, 3% on groceries, 2% at gas stations. Best for foodies and experience lovers who dine out or stream regularly. 3. Amex Gold Card, 4x points at U.S. supermarkets, up to $25K a year. 4x points at restaurants worldwide, $250 annual fee. Why it's here? Even with a fee, those multipliers give you more net return than 2% net. If you use grocery and dining credits wisely. Top 2 credit cards in comparison. Number 2. Capital One Venture X, no annual fee version. 2x miles, treated like 2%, on everything. Redeem for statement credits or travel perks, without the fee-heavy version. Best for occasional travelers who want simplicity, plus perks without fee. Number 1. Chase Freedom Flex, if included, if not adjust. Up to 5% cashback in rotating categories, quarterly, when activated. 3% on dining and drugstore, 1% elsewhere. Why? Larg 1. This card rewards the most in every category. Smart activation, plus tracking. Big value. Tip. You can rotate between Freedom Unlimited and Freedom Flex to cover 3% and 5% categories. Side-by-side comparison. Let's compare. Bonus categories. Which card gives 4-5%? No annual fee or small fee? Intro APR? Redemption flexibility? Performance over $1,000 spend examples. How to choose the right credit card. Ask yourself, do you like rotating deals? Number 1. Do you eat out or grocery shop a lot? 3, 4. Want simplicity? 2, Blue Cash, 1 Flex. Looking for travel versatility? 2 and Venture X. Pick the one that fits your life, not just the best APR. Here's your mission. Choose 1 to 2 cards that match your spending habits, apply smartly, and always pay in full. Leave a comment. Which card are you going to apply for? Smash that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more money-making hacks and save yourself from wasted cash each year. See you in the next video. Until then, spend smart, earn smarter.